Good morning. How are you doing, everybody? I am Dr. Atar Rahman Khan, consultant in internal medicine. Today's subject is COVID vaccine. COVID vaccine has been started in the United States of America and almost all countries in the world. So you need to get vaccinated as soon as you can. It depends on your availability of the vaccines in your area. Vaccines are indicated to all 16 years and above. There is no contraindication of the vaccine except if the patient had the anaphylaxis reaction or severe anaphylaxis reaction, we should say, to the vaccine or vaccine component. Vaccine has mild side effects such as mild fever, fatigue, headache, body aches, which indicates that vaccine is working. It stimulates your immune system, which causes this kind of symptoms. And these are framed by the vaccination, but not really the side effect of vaccine. Vaccine is really working for that individual who has this kind of symptoms. The symptoms are very mild, which goes away within a few days. In rare cases, there is some anaphylaxis reaction. Anaphylaxis reaction is a severe allergic reaction to the vaccine and vaccine component. The reactions are low blood pressure, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, hives, skin become pale or flushed. Patient may have difficulty in breathing or wheezing. In that circumstances, there should be an epinephrine injection to be given immediately by the doctor or the patient himself, if it is available to him as a EpiPen auto-injector, which we have discussed in the first. Those who have an allergy or allergic reaction, they should carry the EpiPen. The vaccine are currently not contraindicated to any individual. However, those who are pregnant or lactating mother, they should exercise precaution. They should get the vaccination at the discretion of their physician, when physician will talk and counsel with the individual if that person is going to be vaccinated. Also, one age group like 75 years and above, frail elderly man or woman may not have the vaccine if risk and benefit are not really in the favor of the patient. If you got 2 shots of the vaccine, still you may get infected, because the vaccines are effective 90 to 95% cases. 90 to 95% of the vaccinated people may be immune 100%. If you are already given 2 shots of vaccine 21 days to 1 month apart or longer, then still you may have the vaccine, get the infection, but in that case, infection will be mild. CDC and National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease recommend that even you have recovered from recent COVID infection, still you should get vaccinated, because as we have mentioned, vaccines are not 100% effective in any cases. Vaccine will decrease the illness if you got the infection despite the fact that you already have vaccinated. Therefore, our recommendation is to get yourself vaccinated as soon as possible, keeping in mind that this pandemic is far from over. This 2021 hopefully will be a better year than the previous year, but pandemic is not going to end by the end of the year until a herd immunity is occurring in a community. If we can get 70% people, 70 to 80% people vaccinated, then there is a chance that herd immunity will occur. Patient, those who have natural infection, they may think that they are not needed to get vaccinated. It is wrong. They still can get the second infection. In addition to vaccination, other health measures, wearing mask, avoiding gathering, social public gathering, making social distance, hand washing are very important to prevent this infection. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you have enjoyed the video, please subscribe. I hope that you will have a good 2021. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.